Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Okay, for this session, I'm going to show you the Excel files that I've given you for my class. Actually, this is actually for the data for item analysis, Excel underscore SPSS, if in the folder. So if you open the folder, or some of you might get it from WhatsApp, the files from WhatsApp. So you'll notice there'll be like these pre-files under topic data for item analysis. So here I want to show you that these two Excel files, what are they and how to use them to make meaningfully, to use these files meaningfully. Okay, first, for the first part, open this one. It's A172 underscore SGDY underscore group B underscore quiz 1 underscore data entry underscore scoring underscore organization underscore V2. It's very muffled. Okay, but basically this is for you to have when you want to enter data in Excel. Nak masukkan data dalam Excel and everything. Okay. Yeah, in this video, I'm going to mix between Malay and English. Okay, so when you open it, you will see this part, and make sure you go back with this small arrow all the way to the first tab there. Okay, because this one, they will preview the most recent tab, so I want to go to the first tab. Okay, basically, dalam Excel file ni, okay, I key in, the data from my students quiz. Yang ni masa semester A172. Okay, 2017. Okay, and quiz ni, if you can see here, ni baru masuk data lah. Ada 12 orang. S001 ni student 1 sampai S012, S0 student 12, student number 12. And then if you notice here, we have all items here. Okay, so total items on the first row, we have I1 to I15, and then you have I1A all the way to I2B. So we have item 1A, 1B, 1C, item 2A, 2B. Okay, and then this one is answer or marks. I always prefer to have the answer in the Excel file, so it's easy for me to score. Okay, automatically, not really automatically, let Excel does the scoring basically. Okay, bagi Excel yang tanda. Okay, so this is the answer for item number 1, A, and so on. And then the full mark for item number 1A is actually 6 marks. Markah penuh 6 markah, 2 markah, 3 markah, dan 3 markah. Okay, and here you can is the what my students responded. Macam apa yang student 1 jawab. Okay, student 1 jawab A, so betul lah kan. Student dan soalan 2 dia jawab C, betul juga, dan so on. And then yang ni pun samalah. 6 markah penuh, dapat markah penuh, 2 markah, yang ni dapat 2/3, yang ni dapat 3/3. Okay, so student 2 kita boleh tengok juga. Yang ni A, dia jawab A betul. A, tapi jawapan dia C, jadi jawapan dia salah. Okay, jadi basically what you have to do is you just put whatever your student answered. Okay, and then ni dah lepas tanda lah. Kita assume student dapat 6 markah. Student nombor 2 dapat 6 markah untuk soalan 1A. The first one B got 4 marks. And then 1C 1 marks. And then the last one he or she, I'm not sure what's the gender, 0 marks. Okay, and so on. Okay, ni baru answers. So this is what I say answers. Here now I already, then I put scored unsort. Okay, maksudnya dalam yang tab ni ialah file di mana saya I score the marks, but then still lagi tak sort lah. Siapa dapat paling tinggi, siapa dapat paling low. That's what I meant, scored unsort. Okay, maksudnya tak sort lagi lah. Okay, so S001, S012, benda yang sama. Okay, and then I just copy them and I put here in a new one because I want to start scoring them. So I create basically another one, and this time I use formula, which is if B3, which is B, you can see here B3, which is here, this cell, if B3 equals to A, which is the answer, give 1, else 0. Basically, that's what the Excel's, the coding is trying to say. Okay, ini basically programming lah sikit dalam Excel, and Excel give it, you know, for you to decide. So, but I give it for you here. You can copy this. Okay, but make sure your cell is right. Kalau B3 lah. Okay, so basically, yes, he got, yeah, that student really got, because that student answer A. So orang juga yang answer C. So we can see here, sebab dia dapat kosong lah, sebab dia salah lah, sebab jawapannya A dan dia jawab C. Okay, so that's why I like to copy. This one I don't want to disturb. Basically, masuk sini, copy. Always make sure you have backup. Okay, that's the point. Okay, of having another tab after another tab. Okay, so okay, that's the first one, and sama lah, yang ni pun sama lah. Yang tadi tu B3, this one C3, and then so on. And then good thing for Excel, you just copy, benda tu akan follow lah. So here you make sure that you use, okay, it's using the formula C4, which is for student to the second question. Okay, so kat sini dia kata, if C4 answer C, which is the correct answer here, give 1 mark, else 0. Yang ni senang lah, selalunya untuk soalan multiple choice. Okay, yang ada satu markah saja. Okay, so yang so on and everything, so I just score them. Semuanya ada formula here kat bawah ni. Dan yang ni memang just copy balik lah, sebab yang ni memang I score them ahead of time. Dah score dah. Okay, tak boleh, yang ni tak boleh nak bagi Excel score sebab soalan subjektif kan. Okay, then what I have here, addition columns here. We have additional columns here. We have sum opt, which is, you know, some score of objective questions, which is we have here 1 sampai 15 tadi. So here if you can see, this is what I try to find. Maksudnya markah penuh untuk semua soalan objektif 1 sampai 15. Sum semualah daripada B1 17, B17 hingga P17. So ini dia punya formula lah, sum, dan kemudian click. Make sure it has like this, and then you just double click, then it will, the formula will follow. Tapi tadi dah buat kan, so just want to show you how to make sure to drag or to click and follow. This one sum sub means some score of subjective questions or item. Okay, and then this one total. Some score means I'm just adding everything. You can, you know, you can just either, you know, yang ni, this cell plus this cell, you can also do that. Okay, and I'm just gonna go and all the way from B17 to U17. Okay, just terus tambah. Okay, kalau nak check boleh lah, tambah yang ni tambah yang ni lah. So basically 10 plus 19 is 29. So you got the same thing. Okay, you have now, sekarang ni ada student, markah dia orang dah 1010 lah, more meaningful, easy to, because we want to measure, right? We're gonna use this in analysis. Tukarlah jawapan dia orang jadi markah. So sekarang ni soalan multiple choice, kita score dichotomously 1010. And then soalan subjektif, kita tengoklah markah penuh berapa, kan? Kat sini 1 until J. J is 6 marks, kan? Okay, so akan dapat yang macam ni. Okay, kemudian I'm just gonna copy semua ni, yang copy yang bawah saja. Okay, copy, and then copy and paste balik dekat sini. Tapi bila paste, you make sure you paste value saja. Okay, tak mau paste, tak mau copy formula. If paste formula, you won't get. Okay, you just want a value. Paste special. Value means nak markah, so you won't have formula dalam tu. Oh, basically I copy both. I copy this one and this one. Okay, so I don't want to copy anymore. So you see here, dekat copy sort ni means I just want to copy val. So I don't want to, sorry, I got it wrong. Sort and sort, copy value. Interestingly. Interestingly, actually, I did not copy value. Okay, never mind. So this one still, I don't know why I copy, but you will see this file ada macam ni lagi lah. Okay, tapi yang ni belum sort. Maksudnya still lagi tak kisahlah ikut nombor student 1 sampai student 12 ni, tak sort lagi siapa yang atas, siapa yang bawah. Okay. Nah, yang ni baru sort. Okay. I don't know why I keep doing this, but yeah. Seems like that's what I did. Okay. Here. So now, I copy the value. And then I sort the students based on their sum score. Siapa dapat markah paling tinggi, dan sort lah. Okay, I can show you again. Right click, go to sort, go to largest to smallest. If you go largest to smallest, okay, S007 lah, student number 7, markah penuh ni 34. Okay, markah penuh, I'm not sure berapa markah penuh. 6 plus 6, 12, 14. 14 plus 6, 20, 20 plus 15, 35. So, student 7 dapat 34 per 35. Okay. If I want to sort, like, to choose the one, like, score the least from smallest to largest. So, student 10 dapat 15 per 35. Okay. So, I'm just gonna make sure that the highest score the students who scored the highest is on top. Okay, and then I want to save that. Okay, so I have this. This is just a beautification. Okay, I like to beautify my stuff. So now I have S7 sampai S6. Yang ni maksudnya dia score 27 sampai 34 lah. Yang ni 25 sampai 15. Same here, yang ni cuma dalam bentuk 1010 is dichotomous score, and this one is bentuk response, their real response to the particular item. Okay, then I just copy, and I'm just lucky kat sini ada kebetulan ada 12. So bila tengok soalan pun, oh okay, bila tengok dia punya score pun boleh lah, senang nak bahagi 2. Okay, yang ni kalau kita buat dalam calculation manual, I'm going to show you in the next video. How we're gonna use this data. Kenapa kita bahagi? Okay, pelajar kebolehan tinggi KT, pelajar berkebolehan rendah KR. Okay, yang ni kebetulan kita dapat 12, kita bahagi 6. Dan kebetulan ini titik tengah dia 25, 27. Dia tak ada macam 27. Kalau macam tu jenuh lah juga. Adalah cara nak divide the students, nak siapa yang kebolehan tinggi, kebolehan rendah. Okay, so that's for data entry, scoring, and organization. Ni baru nak organize our data. Ni siapa yang nak guna Excel lah especially. Okay. See you in the next video.